Today we're diving into the wonderful world of quilling to create some super cute and unique greeting cards. Get ready for some paper rolling fun. To get started, you'll need some blank cards. I'm using these white textured ones, some colorful quilling paper strips, a quilling needle, scissors, and some glue. If you don't have quilling strips, you can always cut your own from colored paper. I'm using my quilling needle to roll these red and pink paper strips into loose coils, but you can also use your fingers if you prefer. I'm making a bunch of these loose scrolls in different colors and sizes. Now I'm drawing a heart shape on the card. Then I'm carefully placing the scrolls inside the heart, filling it up with these colorful swirls. It's like creating a mosaic with paper. And the best part, they're surprisingly easy to make, even if you're a beginner to quilling. And there you have it, our first quilled heart card. I'm adding a simple message, my love, to complete the design. Isn't it sweet? For our second card, we're going to make some quilled hearts using teardrop shapes. I'm rolling two loose coils with red paper strips and then pinching one end of each coil to create a teardrop shape. Then I'm gluing the two teardrops together to form a heart. I'm making 4 of these little hearts and arranging them on the card. To add some extra flair, I'm creating some S scrolls using brown paper strips. These add a nice decorative touch to the card. And there you have it, our second quilled card complete with the message, love you. Now for a slightly trickier heart design. I'm cutting 3 different sizes of red paper strips and gluing them together at one end. Then I'm carefully curving them to create half of a heart shape. I'll repeat this with another 3 strips to create the other half of the heart. It might take a bit of practice to get the hang of it, but it's worth the effort. Once the heart is complete, I'm gluing it onto the card. For our final card, we're going for a playful raining hearts design. I'm using pink and grey paper strips to create loose scrolls and filling a cloud shape with them. But first, I'm taking a grey quilling strip and carefully folding it to create the outline of a cloud. I'm gluing this outline directly onto the card. Then I'm making 2 small hearts using the teardrop technique and arranging them below the cloud as if they're raining down. So cute! And there you have it, 4 beautiful quilled greeting cards, each with its own unique charm. These cards are perfect for showing your loved ones how much you care, and they're a great way to add a personal touch to your greetings. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CraftiWorks for more crafty inspiration. Happy quilling!